When I catch an exception, how do I get the type, file, and line number? Catching an exception that would print like this. I want to format it into
simplest form that worked for me. Output. Source PY version 2.7.3 for traceback.format_exception and called related functions helps greatly. Embarrassingly, I always forget to read the source. I only did so for this after searching for similar details in vain. A simple question, how to recreate the same output as Python for an exception, with all the same details. This would get anybody 90+% to whatever they're looking for. Frustrated, I came up with this example. I hope it helps others. It sure helped me. Winky face. In specific answer to this query.
Here is an example of showing the line number of where exception takes place.
Without any imports, but also incompatible with imported modules. $Python 3 tmp example.py. Type error tmp example.py2. To reiterate, this does not work across imports or modules, so if you do import x, try column x.example, then the file name and line number will point to the line containing x.example, instead of the line where it went wrong within x.example. If anyone knows how to easily get the file name and line number from the last stacked trace line, I expected something like -1.filename, but no such luck. Please improve this answer.
If you like, support the channel.